Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, doing another daily dash. We've been logged in for a few minutes in the parking lot of the UFC gym. I just got done working out. Actually just got done filming a daily dash before this, but I wanted to talk about what's going on with my Doordash account right now, because this might happen to some of you guys soon. I don't know. I don't know if it's because I have a pretty public Doordash account or something, or like, but basically someone's been trying to hack into my account. So today, basically 3 times in the last 8 hours or so, and it's 2 o'clock, and it started at 4 in the morning. So basically, I've been getting these text messages saying, your Doordash verification code is blah, blah, blah. Do not share this code with anyone. We will not. So I have 4 of these in the last, since 4 a.m. The first one was at like 4 a.m. The second one was at 4:49 a.m. Then 12:51, and then 1:22. So I was like, I don't know why I bothered. I said, why are you sending me verification codes? Then I was like, yeah, they're not going to respond anyway. So then I went to Dasher support. I called them, and then I said, hey, speaking of, look at how short this order is. What should I take this? $4.50 for 1.7 miles, but this is, I have to drive this way to go home anyways. So, and it looks like it's delivering to a house or an apartment. I can't really tell, but nah, $4.50 just isn't worth it, no matter how short the order is. Because if I gotta wait or something, you know. Anyways, okay, so what we're talking about is someone's basically been trying to log into my account. I don't know why. Like, there's only 50 bucks in there. Like, what have I made this week? Not very much. So there's $63 in there. Whoop-de-doo. Not a very, I don't think there's any reason I shouldn't show you guys that, but anyways, okay. Obviously I gotta be a little bit more careful, because someone has basically been trying to log into my account for the past 8 to 10 hours or so, whatever 2 o'clock till 4 o'clock is. Probably around like 12 hours or so, 10 hours. Someone's been trying to log into my account. Basically, I talked to Doordash customer service, and what they said was, someone's probably got your email and they're trying to log into your account and change your password. And then they send your phone number a verification code. So just don't respond if anyone calls your phone. So I thought to myself, I was like, well, no one's called my phone. But then I realized someone has called my phone. In the middle of the night, I got 2 calls from a 650 number. I have a thing called robo-blocker though. So that robo-blocker blocks all of the calls that come in with spoofed numbers or anything like that. And these 2 calls, robo-blocker, I don't know where the robo-blocker app is, but basically robo-blocker, robo-killer, sorry. Robo-killer showed me, it says spoofed number blocked. You know, it just basically, anytime someone calls me and they don't leave a regular, like, hey, this is so-and-so, like, you have to basically write down your name of who you are and stuff, so that way it sends me a notification and I can look to see if I want to even, like, bother answering the phone or not. Otherwise, the phone call just gets straight up blocked, and I don't even get, like, a notification. So I actually didn't realize, but these people were calling me in the middle of the night. I don't know why they're calling me at 4 o'clock and 4:45 a.m. to basically try to get me to give them these freaking verification codes that they've been sending me. So it's not very hard to find my email address, to be honest, and I don't use the email address that I have linked down there for my Doordash account. I actually have probably around 7 email addresses, but here is where I probably went wrong. I actually yesterday posted a screenshot. Now that I say this, this all adds up. So this person probably has me on Instagram. They might be watching this video right now, to be honest. I actually posted a screenshot yesterday of the, where is it? So I said, blah, blah, blah. This is like, just gonna block out my email. I think I'm blocking it, but basically the Vault press conference that I'm going to in Florida, where it's like the entrepreneur event, I posted it yesterday saying I'm going blah blah blah, and it says 1 ticket sent to blah 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 blah, my email basically. And within 8 hours basically someone's been trying to log into my Doordash account, which is kind of like pretty crappy of someone, you know? That's like, come on now, why are people doing this? Why do people try to scam people? It's just not cool. Like, I don't know. Thank God they actually need my phone number, and they can't get to my phone number because I have this robo-killer. Like, who knows what would have happened if I would have woke up at 4 in the morning and I'm like, they're like, someone's trying to log into your Doordash account, we need this. Maybe I would be like so sleepy that I'd be like, oh yeah, the verification code is this. I don't know. I don't think I'd be that dumb even in the middle of the night. But basically, what I'm trying to get at is I'm trying to show you guys what it looks like when someone is trying to basically log into your account and most likely probably steal your money. I guess it's trying to happen to me. It's happening to me right now, but the last email I got, or the last one I got was at 12:51, and then I got a call at 1:20. So I don't know what's going on here, but it's definitely weird. People are trying to log into your account. Apparently, this could be a good reason why DoorDash doesn't want apps around like Para and stuff, because that's just like basically people, I don't know how hacking works, but I watched an interview with John McAfee. If you guys don't know who that is, he made, rest in peace, John McAfee, McAfee spyware, basically, which was like an anti-hacker system. And basically he said there's no way you can get, if hackers want your information, they can just get it. It's not hard for them to get it. Like, there's not really any anti-spyware system that can basically stop hackers nowadays, because we basically give all of our information to pretty much our phone on a daily basis. Like, our phone knows everything, so it's not hard for someone to just log in and get all of your information. So I don't know what I should do. Maybe I should like switch my bank account username and stuff too. I don't know what I should do, because clearly someone's trying to get into my Doordash account, and I don't know, maybe if they can get into my Doordash account, they can get my banking info as well and all that other stuff. I don't know, this whole situation's kind of crappy. Let me know, what do you guys think I should do down below? What should I do? Should I just delete Doordash in total? No, I'm just kidding, I wouldn't do that, but I don't know. I should probably check my bank account to make sure all the money is still in there. But yep, so basically that's what I'm dealing with right now. All the money's still in there, so I'm good. Yeah, just a weird situation, you know, like, I don't know why they're sending me these verification codes, and I asked them, I was like, is there anything you guys can do to stop it? And they basically said, no, if someone's trying to log in with your email, they're just going to keep sending verification codes until they figure out a way to get the verification code. Then they can change the password, and then they can log in. They can most likely probably change my banking information, which I should probably make sure that my banking information hasn't been changed on my account as well. Let's see, if I try to do fast pay, maybe I should get rid of all this fast pay or something, or just empty this account out. I don't know what I should do. Cash out with fast pay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really want to pay $2 to get $63. Anyways, I guess we're not going to get a daily dash today. We're just chilling in this parking lot, rambling about how someone's trying to log into my account. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys enjoy these videos at all, please consider subscribing to the channel and also smash that like button. We will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.